Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a 2-minute tour of the 2023 Thor Rize Model 18M. Guys, let me introduce to you guys the 2023 Thor Rize. This is a 17-foot, 11-inch Class B motorhome camper van. We're gonna start from the very back right here. Both doors open. This is your bathroom. You have a cassette toilet here, cabinetry here. This curtain goes around and it's a shower. You then close off this door, obviously for transport, and you always wanna make sure you watch your head so you don't smash it on the back of the bike rack. Trust me, if you guys own one of these, you will do this at least one time. I've done it 3. Very small backup camera there, but it is a nice Thule bike rack that comes with it. Once you enter in, you'll see that this is one of the smallest Class B camper vans on the planet today. Right here, we got this 2 driver seats. Demonstrated here, they both swivel to become part of the living area. You have a lagoon table right there, and right there, that sofa area does come out to make a bed. Right here's your kitchen. Got a little fridge and a little cooktop and everything. And then you got storage above and storage below. And then as you walk on out, you will see that it has a nice screen right here. So when you are camping somewhere, you can have your awning out, you can have that nice breeze. You don't need to close the RV to be boxed in. Great, so that was a quick little tour of the Rize 18M. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to learn more about this motorhome, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. We have a full review of this. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.